YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip on how you guys can buy more phones in 2019 and profit more in 2019. Now, I don't think this video has been covered before. It's a very simple tip, but I don't see a lot of people taking advantage of it and using it every single time. Now, the tip is basically a question that you're going to ask your leads. Now, if you are, let's say you are negotiating on an iPhone 7 Plus and you've gotten all the information you needed, you've offered them a price, they accepted it. Now, before you go ahead and say, hey, let's meet here, let's meet there, I always ask this question, and that question is, hey, do you have any more devices for sale? Or you could say, do you have any more iPhones available that you want to sell? Or whatever you want to go after, however you want to put it, that's what I ask them. I ask them if they have anything else to sell to me. Now, I only do that because I have different ads. So I have different ad copy, meaning, one ad might say I buy Samsung devices. One ad might say I buy iPhone and Samsung devices. One might say I buy iPads. So with that being said, I don't know which, let's say this is a Craigslist lead. I don't know which ad they saw. They could have saw my iPhone ad, so they're saying, hey, I have an iPhone 7 Plus for sale. Now, when I ask them, hey, do you have any more devices for sale? They're going to say, okay, yeah, I actually have a S8 Plus I'm getting rid of, and I have an iPad Pro I'm getting rid of. You wouldn't have known that if you didn't ask them. So this quick little question that you need to ask them is very important. I get more devices that way. Again, because some of your ads, some of my ads at least, don't have everything that I buy on it. I don't put every little device that I buy on it. So if I'm targeting smartphones on that particular ad and they have an iPad that they're wanting to sell along with their iPhone, they're not going to mention the iPad. 9 times out of 10, they're not going to mention that iPad because they didn't see that on your listing. So if they have an iPhone and you agree to a price and you ask them that question of, hey, do you have any more devices for sale? Any iPads for sale? Whatever you want to, or however you want to put it. And they say, yeah, actually I do have an iPad Pro. Or, hey, I actually do have an Apple Watch Series 3 to sell. Didn't know you bought those. So when you ask those particular questions to people, you're going to get more phones. With more phones, you're going to get more profits. Now, the thing you need to do to maximize profits on this particular tip is this. So you've already landed the deal for that particular phone that they came at you with. So let's say it's a 7 Plus that you're buying for $150, right? You ask them the question of, hey, do you have any more devices for sale? They let you know what devices they have for sale. You say, okay, cool. Let's meet here. Can you please bring the devices with you? Everything with you, right? Now this gets them down there. You've already made that deal with them. So you're already expecting one phone at least. Now, what I do is I appraise the phones that I get. The extra ones that they bring, I appraise them there. I do that for a reason because, first of all, they're already down there. So they're already expecting some kind of money. Now, if you're going to give them a bonus and offer them prices on their devices that they brought with them, then that's a plus for them. And what I do is I can offer a little bit less than what I normally would offer because they're already down there. So a lot of people aren't going to turn down, let's say, $300 for an iPad Pro or $150 for Apple Watch Series 3. They're not going to turn that down. Some people might turn it down, but since your succession rate of them saying yes, to your offer is going to be a lot higher than if you were to offer them those prices or try to reappraise those prices all over again while you're texting them. Just tell them to bring the device that you've already agreed to buy, and then tell them, hey, bring the other ones as well. Now, this tip is, again, very simple, but it works. It's very effective. So try it out. Let me know how it goes. Don't forget to ask these questions. This is a simple question. Again, I know this is a simple video. Some of you guys are probably already doing this, but again, I've seen a lot of people showing me their different leads and in their conversations, and none of them ask that on deals that they close. None of them ask that question. Now, okay, so if you're gonna go about doing this, just let me know how it goes for you. I know it's gonna work for sure. Just wanted to kind of give you guys that tip. And again, you guys are gonna make more money and more profit in 2019 if you do this particular tip or ask that particular question. Okay. So if you do enjoy the video, please drop a like. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.